What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are taking the Jeep back to stock, kinda, and I'll explain why here after the intro. Yeah, look at that LB7 smoke, baby. Because it's freaking America Day, that's why. All right, you gonna help? All right. So as you guys know, the Jeep did not get inspected due to the wheels being too wide, so we have to throw the stock wheels back on so we can get this thing inspected tomorrow. All right, now that all four tires are out, no thanks to you, but thank you for getting that last one out. I appreciate it. We have to get these back on the Jeep, get these off because of the poke. We also need to fix the headlight on that side and get the wires tucked back up. A couple little things with the Jeep today, but everything will go back to the exact setup that is on it right now.
You're welcome for the help. I'm not the one that threw the parts in the dingweeds over there. Show them where they were. Therefore, me not getting them for you.
Tell me how you really feel. Piss off my wife, but if you could look at the girth difference between the stocks and the 35 by 12 and a halves. My dad was right, by the way, because he's been bitching for the whole time lapse that I didn't loosen the lug nuts while the wheels were on the ground, which I should have done, but this is how things go around here. Of course, my brother just pulled up in their JKU as I just got the stock wheels back on this side. This looks stupid. That looks so stupid in comparison to this side. Oh man, this is gonna be the worst like 2 days ever. What do you think, honey?
It's like Kinsley wearing like two smaller shoes right now. It's like the people who wear their toes over their sandals. That's how stupid it is.
All right, time to do the other side. Long story short, use jack stands because we almost lost my wife's Jeep and she was really pissed, but both headlights are now working. Hey, Kins, thank you for your help. Give me a high five. No? Okay, good talk. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Have a high five. As I had mentioned previously, some of you guys were asking about these Snussy Copen shirts. What color would you guys like to see other than the red? Obviously, everything I own is maroon, so this is actually kind of a maroon. It shows up red on camera, but what colors would you guys want to see these shirts in? covered up. Didn't go with the pool noodle like last time. So technically this thing has been out of inspection for the past like almost month now, but they told me it's all you gotta do is use tape. So took them 3 weeks just to get me rescheduled in to be able to do this. So it's kind of a pain in the ass, but so you guys believe me, it is almost the end of July. This thing has not been freaking inspected, but we should pass tomorrow with flying colors. Alright guys, we are going to get ready to wrap up today's video here. I did post on Instagram that we were going to be doing a Q&A, so I will actually include that in tomorrow's video. If not tomorrow's video, it'll be in the next kind of like hands-on video. So the Jeep obviously isn't inspected. It was very frustrating. We took it to get inspected 2 times. First time they failed us for the lights not being covered, so I covered it with pool noodles and took it in the next day, and they failed us for the wheel poke. Now the first day we had a different tech, same place, different tech that said, hey, it's close, but we will pass you. So unfortunately I was like, I'm not going through this shop, I'm not dealing with the headache, I'll take it to my normal shop and we'll go from there. Rather than give myself more headaches, I was like, okay, I'll just switch out the wheels. We'll be good to go. So honestly, this setup is only going to stay on the Jeep for like 2 days. But I felt like I needed to show you guys, like, hey, this is kind of like the end of all the inspection bullcrap that we have been dealing with for literally the past month. It took 3 weeks, almost a month actually, to get the Jeep into my normal shop. That's crazy. They're a good shop, very reputable, and I would much rather take it to them. But if this was your first time watching a video on my channel, guys, I hope you give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below and join us on our journey to 5,000 subscribers. There will be 3rd gen content this week. I promise. You guys seem to be like very into the whole junkyard 3rd gen Camaro build, which I really, really appreciate. And I hope you guys have the same image in your head that I do for the end product. So till next time, guys, see ya.